Want to run a YouTube channel without filming yourself? You can, and AI makes it easier than ever. Step 1. Find a niche. Start with a topic that gets consistent views over time, like tech reviews, health tips, AI news, or money advice. Step 2. Script with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to quickly generate a video script. Ask for a 60-second explainer or a full 3-minute breakdown. Step 3. Voiceover with ElevenLabs. Paste the script into ElevenLabs to create a professional AI voiceover. Choose a voice style that matches your niche. Step 4. Visuals with Pictory. Upload the script and audio to Pictory. It'll automatically match stock footage, transitions, and captions, creating a full video in minutes. Step 5. Thumbnails with Canva. Use Canva to design a thumbnail that stands out: big text, bold colors, minimal clutter. Final step: schedule and grow. Batch create your content, schedule uploads in YouTube Studio, and stay consistent. Your Faceless channel can start earning even while you sleep. Like and subscribe for more money-making ideas with AI.